Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make chicken wrap, and we'll be making our wrap right from the scratch. So come along with me and let's do this together. For our chicken wrap, we need to do it in 3 stages. The first stage is we're actually making the wrap, and we'll be needing warm water, flour, salt, sugar and oil. So what I'll do now, pour my flour, my sugar, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, make it well in the middle, pour my oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. The water you mix gradually, that's why I'm using quarter cup. So I'll be pouring it gradually. And I'll mix. See that it's not enough, so I do another one because we don't want it to be too soft. Gradually. So see, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. So I'm going to leave it now. Put cling film over it, allow it to rest for 40 to 45 minutes. Then we'll move to the next stage while that one is resting. Now we're going to make sauce for our chicken wrap. Here I have plain yogurt. Have a cup of plain yogurt. Put it in a clean bowl. Two tablespoons mayonnaise. Here I have some ginger paste, chili pepper and salt. So I'll just pour everything together and mix. It's time to season our chicken. I have chicken here. This chicken, I bought them, the chicken thigh, and I slice them like this. You can use chicken breast if you want. Just make sure any part of chicken you're using there is no bone. I have ginger paste, chili powder, paprika for color, salt, garlic powder, chicken stock powder, black pepper, this is yogurt, and this is lemon juice. And in case you are wondering what is this, this is charcoal. I'm going to be showing you the magic this is going to create. We'll allow this to rest for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we go to the next stage. I'm adding 4 teaspoons of oil to my frying pan. Now I'll be adding the chicken. I'm trying to create a magic here. Look at the charcoal. This is the charcoal. I don't want to touch it. It's very hot. So I'll make it very hot. Then I'll show you the magic it's going to create. Put the hole inside this plate Now what I will do is add oil to it. So it's going to create some smoke. Then what I'll be doing is cover it. It's going to give it smoky flavor. Now it's time to roll out our dough, our wrap. It has been resting. Now I'm going to divide into equal parts. Then I'll work on this one. My worktop is already dusted. My rolling pin. Half teaspoon butter on it. Melted butter. So what I will do now, I will cut this, then I'll start rolling. I hope you can see it. I'll start rolling. Then I'll stretch it out. We are working on the gluten. Stretch it out. Then I'm going to start rolling it in a circular shape. This is it. So I'll try now to roll it out in a round shape. Now what I will do is just put half a teaspoon of oil. Yeah, so I put my meat. Oh, it's not. Yeah. So we leave it there for about 1 minute. Then we'll turn it or flip it over to the other side. Beautiful. We can make our wrap at home. Again, we don't want it to get burnt. Oh, this is wonderful. If you put too much oil, it's going to be soggy. All we need is the dry it, but the oil is just to keep it moist. It's done now because we don't want it burnt. Now it's time to assemble our sauce. So let's cut it and see how it is. Voila, this is nice. This is very nice. See it? The colors popping out. Wow. Let me just have a taste. So yummy. When it comes to cooking, you know, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you discover a lot, and as you discover, you enjoy. We have discovered today that we can actually bring smoky flavor to our cooking inside our kitchen by adding coal to it and covering it up so that the smoke will go into the food we are cooking. Like today we did the chicken and the smoke went into it. If you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, leave your comment in the comment section, press the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet, and don't forget to press the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. It's time for me to go enjoy my chicken wrap. Till next time, bye.